How to track someone's location on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you if there is a way to track someone's location using Facebook. So let's get started. First, as I want to inform you that there is no any such official method like you can track exact real-time location without your permission. That would violate the privacy concern of Facebook, but they can share their location through Messenger live location feature. You can see it in real time for up to 60 minutes. For that, they would have to just give the live location access to you on Messenger. For that, open up Messenger. From the Messenger section, open a chat conversation. And from here, tap on the plus icon at the left hand side. From here, tap on location. And from here, as usual, give the location access to Messenger. After you give the location access, tap on the option start sharing live location. After you tap on that, tap on done at the top right. Alright, this is the method you can share live location to person on Messenger. And that's it. This is the method you can try to track or get someone's location on Facebook with your permission. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.